Hi, welcome into my channel. This channel is against the Big Bang. This is my second video on Max Tegmark. So this is the stuff about quarks. So listen.
What you have is at the very beginning this plasma soup of all these subatomic
That's right.
particles, and then the quarks got together in the first second or so, and the first few minutes you have hydrogen and helium, and then
after a few minutes, that's right. You've already made these light elements, and
So this is the way I make my videos. I'm saying like a tea science, coffee science. I put some milk. I have some tea here. So this is the justification for my videos. Okay, this is a linden tea with milk. So why he says that the atoms were made from quarks. And let me put you for this space night, Quark, if you know Quark, this guy.
If the Klingons try to get through these doors, I'll be ready for them.
Dear Quark, I used parts of your disruptor to fix the replicators. Will return them soon. Wrong.
I will kill him.
With what?
So you see in this movie he says that he stole his disruptor is a gun, like you can shoot people with it, and he says, are you going to kill him with what? It says, but I'm telling you like this, these are words that kills your mind, and they are not science of these guys like Max Tegmark, and nobody defends you. And I'm telling you, quarks do not exist. All over the place it says that the matter atoms are formed through quarks. Quarks do not exist. Do not exist. They appear nowhere in electronics, nowhere. Quarks do not exist. So listen another time. Another thing that he says, that the fusion between hydrogen helium, this invention.
The formation of the first protons and things happened when the universe was much less than a second old. The formation of the production of the first helium, more interesting nuclei happened when the universe was like minutes old. The hydrogen gas then was as hot as it is in the core of the sun, and we of course know what hydrogen gas does when it's that hot. It does fusion. That's what the sun is doing. Right? And it produced helium, except the cosmic fusion reactor switched off after a few minutes because it got too cold.
So this is the second stupid thing that he says, and I'm telling you again that you saw that Quark. I'm going to kill you. These guys are going to kill you with these poems. This is not science, has no formulas, nowhere. They invented this and they speak to you like a poem. There is no equation of quarks, and the hydrogen does not become helium, nowhere. They said that the atomic bomb, like hydrogen bomb, or like liquid hydrogen, where they observe that it blows up, it put it in bombs. And like a result of this, it is helium. But nobody proved that from hydrogen becomes helium. Nowhere. And then he says you have some spice from hydrogen, like lithium.
So you can do the math.
as it expanded.
Exactly. That's how refrigerators work, right? When you expand the gas, it cools off. Right. And when you do the math and you ask how much helium do you have time to make before it switches off, you get 24%.
Wow.
Not 87% or 24. Go out and look in the sky, 24%.
Amazing.
And if that's not good enough, you can also calculate how much you get of the helium-3 isotope and how much lithium and how much deuterium. And you're, again, in fantastic agreement. So we're pretty confident that the universe really did that stuff.
You make batteries like this. Can you make a battery from hydrogen? Or lithium battery, okay, on an old type telephone. You can make from hydrogen a lithium battery, and then you'll come and talk to me, my friends. So these guys are lying to you. And another, so again, listen, Quark.
If the Klingons try to get through these doors, I'll be ready for them.
Dear Quark, I used parts of your disruptor to fix the replicators. Will return them soon. Wrong.
I will kill him.
With what?
So you see, this is comic. That guy was after profit. There's an episode, it said that he will sell the wax from his mother ears for money. These guys, for stupid fame, will sell you, and you destroy your minds and your children and its own children. And he says that he's in this video, and they play with Lego pieces. You cannot make from hydrogen lithium. Nobody made this, okay? And another lie that he says that in sun hydrogen become helium and through fusion. So listen.
What hydrogen gas does when it's that hot, it does fusion. That's what the sun is doing. Right?
helium.
It produces helium, except the cosmic fusion reactor switched off after a few minutes because it got too cold.
So this is the third lie. Hydrogen does not become, and our sun is made from iron. It was filmed by NASA, many spectrum iron mission. It was filmed this on NASA channel, and this is remain with all stupid stuff. Laplace said that the stars were coagulated through gases because in old times you knew only gases that burned to produce flames. So by maintaining Laplace's stupid thing that the gases burn to produce light, they say that our sun is made from hydrogen, the star fuse hydrogen in lithium and carbon. But the NASA filmed the sun is multiple ions of iron. Multiple ions of iron is made from iron. And so it is not fusing, it is elemented even. This microwave radiation goes into the sun, produce the orbits and the gravity of the planets. It is an energy of microwave and light energy. So this is the way I made my videos. This is a linden tea with milk. So, but in this section, I will tell you the correct form. So, in his lab, it is a sphere. In his lab, he takes this ball with microwave radiation. So this,
And that's exactly what these are photos of. This plasma wall with us in the center, except we were, of course, photographing it from the inside.
Yeah.
So we should think of it as being viewed from there, not from the outside. And
so we saw that sphere is our galaxy. And it is not filming a picture from 13.7 billion years. It is a current J microwave background radiation. Around the Earth, they put a satellite, they film around the Earth like this. And they made that sphere that you saw it in his lab. In this video, my previous video, okay? And he plays with this. That's our galaxy. And that microwave background radiation is produced in the clouds of the border of our galaxy. And he points out that it is filmed through inside. But it is a small sphere and it's not the universe. And galaxies are put in this sphere like this. And let me tell you again, with what it will kill you, with this quark stuff, it will kill you. These guys will really kill your children and your minds. And if you do not believe me, I want you good, okay? But these guys, and you don't realize that they are lying. I am giving you hydrogen. You can mail lithium from where we do not see you to take a price, okay? So I'm telling you how our galaxy was produced in a correct manner. Our galaxy is that sphere that it is in his lab that is showing to you, has this microwave background radiation. It is a light energy, electric magnetic energy that flows through it, and it was this sphere full with pieces like this, with rocks, with full of pieces, and it was void, like you blow in this, you make a dent, or like you spin in coffee, you make a hole. So, but this spin was made through an energy, this micro background energy, and a light energy that spins the planets, voided inside that sphere that it holds. And the planets remain suspended. He was prior calculating this, and then a wave of electromagnetic energy flows through all over the clouds in our galaxy and ignited all the stars at once. This is the way our galaxy was produced, okay? And if you imagine, if you saw these sci-fi movies, you understand that you can have this sphere, but this coagulation, that gravity does not coagulate. See my previous video on Tegmark, that could not coagulate planets, and through these quarks and this fusion in lithium hydrogen you can obtain nothing. But this is a coherent way. It was full of clouds, hydrogen, oxygen, all the man they left. It was voided inside, split it, and then ignited with an energy. This is the way our galaxy, that round stuff, was produced, and we cannot see beyond it, and we cannot see the universe. Goodbye. This is the way I make my videos. I promise to myself to make like one per day, even though I have no many visualization. I put 2 per week, but now I started 2 weeks to put 1 per day to see what happens. Maybe I'll gather people in my channel. So you'll be killed, my friend, with this quark stuff. Nothing is made from quarks, because quark does not exist. The sun is made from wire. The hydrogen does not fuse in helium. Helium appears in helium is in a resultant when you extract natural gases and oil, car oils, petrol from the ground. There's a main high helium gas, and it is not burning, and it is not hydrogen, and you cannot make from hydrogen helium, okay, and lithium. So believe lies and let your children to be killed with this phaser, quark phaser words, stupid words, okay? Goodbye, God bless.